Welcome back. Municipal councillors and chairpersons seem least bothered and interested in learning and updating themselves in the city planning and management. The scene at an orientation workshop by the GSUDA was disappointing. The workshop in Panji for elected municipal representatives received poor response with hardly 10% councillors and chairpersons attending it. Some of those who attended feel had this workshop been a junket outside the state, many councillors would have attended.
Specialized capacity building program for elected representatives on municipal finance, budget preparation and formation was held in Panji for 3 days. It was organized by the State Urban Development Agency. Councillors feel that such programs are very fruitful.
Training organized. We have to thank our Urban Development Minister, Francis D'Souza, Deputy CM. आमचे असले मडगांव मुन्सिपालिटीक असले ए ग्रेडीचे बी आहा तितून चड इंटरफियर जावपाक वचनात पूण हांगसर कितें म्हाका दिसता सगळे दुसरे हेर मुन्सिपालिटी MLA आनी मिनिस्टर चड इनवॉल्वमेंट करता थंय गव्हर्मेंटान मातशें लक्ष दिवपाक जाय अशें इनवॉल्वमेंट जावपाक जायना आमकां आज येते शिकपाक मेळ्ळें चडशे कावन्सिलर आतां फॉर एक्झाम्पल सांखळेचे कावन्सिलर आसलेले ते म्हणपाक लागले आमचे कसलेंच हें चीफ ऑफिसर बी लक्षांतच घेयना म्हणजे एक चेअरपर्सन कावन्सिलराक तर तेजेर सोल्युशन कितें हें सगळें आज तेणें आमकां दाखोवन दिल्लें आसा.
However, few who attended expressed disappointment with the poor response to such programs. They feel, had this workshop been with a junket outside the state, many would have responded.
आमी कशे लोकांकडे वागप कावन्सिलांक किंवा आमी येणारे कावन्सिलांक जे लोकांची काम घेवन येता त्या लोकांकडे कशें वागप कशें तांकां करप तांकां कशी बेगीन फॅसिलिटीज कितें कितें तांकां फॅसिलिटीज आसा त्यो सांगप गव्हर्मेंटाची स्कीम म्हणजे अंडर मुन्सिपालिटी कितें स्कीम कितें आसा ती तेंचे पर्यंत पावप हें हांगसर आमकां तशें केलें पूण हांगसर पळयत जाल्यार थोडेच प्रेजेंटी आसा टोटल 14 मुन्सिपालिटीचे रिप्रेझेंट फक्त 17 जाण हांगसर प्रेजेंट आमचे कावन्सिलर आउट ऑफ गोवा जे येता त्या फंक्शनाक त्या एका ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्रामाक भरपूर जाण वयता पण अशे जेन्ना गोंयानूच प्रोग्राम आसता इन पणजी सिटीन तेन्ना हांगसर कोणूच फिरकना.
Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
Congress has come down heavily on BJP government and especially on the health department for not taking serious steps to tackle swine flu menace in the state. Congress spokesperson Sunil Kautankar claims that even after one death, government has failed to start screening at airport and railway stations. Moreover, the Premier Health Institute GMC is not ready to treat such patients.
By now, instructions should have been gone to the private hospitals, asking them to immediately quarantine the patient or immediately report it to the health department if any such cases are, because nobody is doing it, nobody is taking it seriously. There is no professional screening at the airports or railway stations or bus terminuses, ISBTs. There is no awareness at all of swine flu. Goa Medical College doesn't have any preparedness for treating this swine flu. I don't know whether medicines are kept, but there have been no instructions given in the casualty. And I am again repeating the same thing. I am not here to make politics out of this because this is something very serious. This can happen to anybody tomorrow. Continuously TVचेर advertise करून ताजे symptoms लोकांक explain करून आणि ते symptoms दिसल्यार तुम्ही नियरस्ट खंयच्या मेडिकल सेंटरान वचूंक शकता खंयच्या सेंटरान ताजी वखदां अवेलेबल आसतली खंयचे सेंटर केपेबल आसतले हँडल करपाक इमर्जन्सी हे अवेरनेसाचे थ्रू लोकांक दाखोवप वॉज द ड्युटी ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.